Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh. And today we are going to talk about area of trapezoid. Okay. In some countries it is also called trapezium. What we say? Trapezium. Okay. But here somewhere it is also called trapezoid. So meaning is same. So before discussing the question, let's understand this thing. What is the meaning of trapezoid? It's a type of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means a closed figure which has four sides, okay? Like rectangle, like square, okay? Like parallelogram, everything you know it very well. So trapezoid means it is also a type of a quadrilateral where two sides are parallel. Like you can see if I name it A, B, C, D. Okay, you can see here AB and CD, they are parallel to each other. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, what do you mean by parallel lines? Parallel lines means the line which will not cut each other. Okay, if you extend the line by any direction up to any direction, it is not going to cut each other. Okay, so they are called parallel lines. Okay, and two another lines will not be parallel. AD and BC, they will not be parallel. Okay, same thing in this quadrilateral also. You can see if I name it ABCD, then what you can see here, AB is parallel to CD. Okay, two sides are parallel and these two sides are not parallel. AD and BC are not parallel to each other because if you extend them, they will cut each other. Okay, now what is the difference between picture 1 and this picture 2? Means trapezoid 1 and trapezoid 2. Here you can see that side AD in picture 1, side AD is equal to side BC. Side AD is equal to side BC. So if two sides are equal in trapezoid, then this is called isosceles trapezoid. What we say? Isosceles trapezoid. Okay, now whereas in the second picture you can see no sides are equal. Okay, all sides are different, but why it is a trapezoid? Because these two sides AB and CD are parallel to each other. Okay, hope you understand this meaning of this what do you say, trapezoid. Okay, so it is a type of quadrilateral. Quad means, you remember with this word, okay, quad means four. So quadrilateral means a closed figure which has four sides. And what is the meaning of trapezoid? When two sides are parallel, two sides are parallel, and non-parallel sides, two non-parallel sides, maybe they are equal or maybe they are not equal. So if they are equal, like in the first figure you can see, if non-parallel sides are equal, then this will be called isosceles trapezoid. Okay, just remember the name. Maybe they will not make the picture in the exam. They will just write in the sentence that it is an isosceles trapezoid. So you should know the meaning of this. Okay, now how to find the area, this is the main thing. And before finding the area, let's talk about height, like we discussed for the triangle. So height means, I told you, a line which makes 90 degree with the base is called height. So here this line h will be taken as the height. Same here, h will be taken as the height. Okay, now if this angle is 90 degree, if this is given in the exam, only then you will take it as 90 degree. Okay, so if it is 90, then compulsorily this side will also be h. Okay, now let's talk about area of the trapezoid. So I will tell you area for both the figures separately. Okay, now you see what is the meaning of area. What I told you in my previous videos, area means the region which is covered inside, that is called area of the trapezoid. Okay, now if we want to find the area, then what we can do here, see, we have two methods to find the area. One is very short method and one is little longer, but that longer method, actually it is the reason to get the shorter method. Okay, so first you understand, means if you analyze it, then how you will find the area. For this we need height of the trapezoid. So this is height. Okay, means this is h. So this is also h. Now you see A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now you can see this is a rectangle A, B, D, E. This is a type of rectangle. Okay, so we know the area of the rectangle. And what is the area of the rectangle? If I take it as A side, this will also be A. Yes or no? Okay, just make sure that you understand this. Okay, it is just a simple sides only I am taking, and since it is an isosceles triangle, because these two sides are equal, so if this side I am taking this smaller one as B, then this one will also be B. So what will be area of trapezoid? Area of trapezoid will be equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. What is rectangle here? A, B, D, E. Okay, plus area of triangle B, D, C. BDC is this one. Okay, plus area of triangle. Area of triangle, this one, the second triangle, A, E, F. Okay, now you know the formula for area of rectangle, area of triangle. Okay, so area of rectangle is what? Length multiplied by width. So this is A multiplied by H, plus area of triangle is half into base. Base is B I have taken. This is the base, multiply by height. Same for this also, half times base times height. Now you can simplify this. So this is A times H, no change. It will be half BH, and it will also be half BH. Okay, now this is AH, means we can simplify this now. Half BH plus half BH means BH, and by this you can get the answer. Okay, this is one longer method I told you. Okay, because in some of the books you will find this method, but try to understand with the shorter method now. Okay, by which you will find the area of the trapezoid very quickly. Okay, now here I am taking height as h. Okay, this total side I am taking as A, parallel sides. Okay, and this another parallel side is B. Okay, so what will be the area of the trapezoid? Area of the trapezoid, area of trapezoid is equal to half times sum of the parallel sides, sum of parallel sides times height. Okay, this is the meaning of, this is the formula for area of trapezoid. So what you can see here, half times, you see, sum means addition. Okay, so addition of the parallel sides. So what are the parallel sides here? A and B. So add them, but make sure that A is this complete line. Okay, not the part of this line. So sum of the parallel sides means A and B times height means H unit square. You see, just by this formula, you just put the values of A, B and H, you will get the answer. Okay, now let's talk about area of another type of trapezoid like this. Okay, here I will tell you the direct formula. Formula is same for these two also. Okay, this formula will work for this trapezoid also, but if you want to see the another method, then of course it will be little longer. Now here I am taking, I'll take the same sides. Okay, this is B. Okay, this side is B, and this total side is A, and this is height is H. So again, for this also area of trapezoid will remain the same. This is the same formula for this figure also. So you see how useful this formula is. Okay, so if you memorize this formula by understanding, then every time you will do the question correctly. Let's discuss some questions based on this. For example, They say find the area of trapezoid. Okay, so what you have to do here, first you write the formula. Okay, this is very convenient for you, I am telling you. 1 by 2 times sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides plus times height. Okay, now you see what all values are given to us. Parallel sides are 9 and 11. Make sure that you are not doing the mistake in the parallel sides. Okay, so parallel sides, again I am telling you, the line which do not cut each other. Okay, so parallel sides are 9 and 11 times height means this perpendicular line. So here it is 9. So this will also be 9. Yes. So this is 9. Okay. Now solve them. 1 over 2 times 9 plus 11. This I told you in the BODMAS rule that bracket will be solved first. So 11 plus 9, 20 times 9. Now 20 is up, 2 is down. So we can divide it. To 20 divided by 2 will be 10, and 10 multiplied 9 will be 90 centimeter square. Why? Because here it is written centimeter. Okay. So like this you see how easily you can find the area. Let's talk about this question. If you want to try this question yourself, you can pause the video for few minutes, maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and then try yourself and then check your answer. I'll prefer this thing. Okay. Now let's find this area. So again you write the formula. Okay. Every time you write the formula by this, you can memorize the formula easily. 1 over 2 times sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides and multiply by height. Okay. So this is half times sum of parallel sides. Now you see one side is given to us 8, no problem. But another side is given in 3 parts. So these 3 parts, this is for the total. So it will be 3 plus 8 plus 3, and it means it is 14. Yes or no? 8 plus 3, 11, and 11 plus 3, 14. Okay. So write this 14 here. Times height is 10. This is height. Now this you need to simplify only. 14 plus 8, 22, multiply by 10. Now you can see 22 is up and 2 is down. So it can divide easily. So 22 divided by 2 will be 11. And 11 times 10, it will be 110. No unit is written here. So you will write unit square. Okay. Now let's talk about this. Now this time they are saying that find the missing side. Find the missing dimension. Dimension means side. So see, formula will remain same. Formula, you write the formula and then you see what is given and what is missing. Okay. So area is equal to half times sum of parallel sides times parallel sides times height. Okay. Now this is area. This time area we know. This is the value of area. So 132 is equal to then half times sum of the parallel sides. So one side is 8. Another side is, you see, again it is divided into 3 parts. So add them. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14 times height we don't know. Okay. So this is 132 is equal to 1 over 2 times 14 plus 8, 22 times h. Now 22 is up, 2 is down. So we can divide it. So it will be 11. Now you see here with 11, h is in multiplication and we have to find the value of h. So what you will do here, I told you in my another video how to solve the equation. So 11 is in multiplication. So you will divide both sides by 11. So h is equal to 132 over 11. And you can divide it by long division method and you will get 12. I think 12 will be the answer. Okay. My dear students, if you have any problem in division, you can write in the comment. I will explain that also. Okay. Now, Let's talk about this. Find the missing dimension again. This time, this part is not given. Okay, see, here by chance it is written h. So maybe this h will not be written in the exam. So what you will do? You will take it as h because these two are equal sides. So this is isosceles trapezium. Okay, so area is equal to half times sum of parallel sides, sum of parallel sides times height. So this is area is given 130 is equal to half times sum of the parallel sides. So it will be upper side is 8. Yes. So 8 plus downside is divided into 3 parts. So 8 plus h times height is 10. Okay. Now you can see here 10 is up and 2 is down. So it can be divisible. So 10 divided by 2 will be 5. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus this question little difficult I have taken for you just to make sure that you understood it well and you can practice some good questions also. Okay. Now h plus h, what it will be? 2h. You will write in the comment that why h plus h is the 2h. Okay. You will write the reason. I want to see that. Multiply by 5. Now you see 5 is in multiplication. So both sides you will divide by 5. So you will get 16 plus 2h is equal to 130 divided by 5 means it will be 5 times 2 10 and 5 times 6 30. Now subtract 16 from both the sides. So it will be 2h is equal to 26 minus 16 10. Now divide by 2 both the sides. So h will be equal to 5 centimeter. This will be the answer. So see my dear students how easily we can find the area or how easily we can find the missing side if you remember this simple formula. Okay. Otherwise another method also I have told you, but that method will be very big for the students, especially during the exam. But at the time of practice, you can practice 1 or 2 questions with that method also. Okay. I'm sure you understand this lesson. And if you think that this type of videos will help you in increasing your knowledge, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends also. Thank you.